Militant groups marched to the U.S. Embassy Thursday to protest the Enhanced Defense Cooperation Agreement, saying that it grossly undermines Philippine independence. Bagong Alyansang Makabayan Secretary General Renato Reyes Jr. said that the agreement allows foreign troops to stay in the country without any fixed term. The EDCA was signed by the Philippines and the U.S. last April ahead of U.S. President Barack Obama's visit. It allows U.S. troops to be stationed in the country on a rotational basis for an initial term of 10 years but automatically renewed after that. The troops are allowed to stay in agreed locations throughout the country as long as these are within Philippine military facilities. Bayan and several petitioners have filed a case before the Supreme Court questioning the constitutionality of the EDCA.
Mismong nakasaad doon sa EDCA na ang mga tinatawag na agreed locations ay gagamitin ng mga tropang militar at kontraktor ng Estados Unidos para maglunsad ng gera. Ang kasunduang ito walang katapusan. Matapos ang 10 taon, automatic ang renewal. Isang pagtataksil, isang katraidoran ang ginawang pagpirma ng gobyernong Aquino sa kasunduang ito sa Estados Unidos. Binabalik ang mga panahon kung saan ang mga Amerikano ang naghahari sa ating bansa. Kaya nawawalan ng saysay itong pagdiriwang ng Independence Day.
Enhance the Defense Cooperation Agreement and strengthens the worsens the condition of being under continued American influence. Because EDCA suggests that we are relying on a foreign power like China. So it's something like instigating war. This is not